I have a quick topic that I want to review today in prompt engineering called Act As. And it's a really powerful tool that allows you to leverage the AI and essentially give it a resume and a job description. I'll show you a couple of quick examples here. I already have an account. I'll log in as my wife. Okay, so we'll go in and create a new basic project. We'll call this Act as Indiana Jones. Okay, so we're in the prompt area to act as Indiana Jones. Tell me a story about Raiders of the Lost Ark. Okay, so you'll see that this is a pretty basic story here. Now let's go ahead and give the AI a resume. Act as Harrison Ford's character in Indiana Jones. Tell me the story. Okay, so here we go. This is a much more robust story. In fact, it really gets into the character and has these other character notes like adjusting the leather jacket, chuckling, and brushing dust off his shoulder. So this is how, in fact, I could even continue and say, tell me a joke. And it continues to act as that character, Indiana Jones style joke. And here it goes. Let's move into something a little more professional. We will create a new basic chat, act as computer scientist. Great. So now let's just ask a basic question. Tell me how AI works. Okay, it came back with the response, and it's a pretty good response. That's what you would expect asking AI. But let's give it a resume. Act as a PhD in computer science with 10 years building and researching AI applications, including generative AI. Explain how AI works. So now it has a job description. Let's see what it comes back with. Okay, as you can tell, it gave a very robust answer. It's talking about diffusion models, variational autoencoders, GPUs and TPU acceleration. And it will continue to act as the job description that we gave it. Explain what a GPT is. Okay, so it gave us a whole breakdown of what a GPT is and how it works and how to train them. So this is what you would expect from a PhD computer science, 10 plus years of working with the technology. I hope this helps everybody on their prompt engineering journey and working with AI. If you give it a job description, it will maintain that job description through your chat session. It's super helpful. You can act as and impersonate a celebrity or some sort of character, or in the case of the professional, you can really have a conversation, a great conversation with somebody that's an expert in a particular field. Subscribe. Please leave a comment. Let me know if there's other topics that you'd like me to discuss. Cheers.